Presenting the POCO X4 Pro 5G. The phone has display of 16.94 cm, 6.67 inch. The phone also has Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP 16 MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. It has 6 GB RAM and expandable up to 1 TB. Expandable memory up to 1 TB, and 128 GB ROM. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G processor. It also features front camera, primary camera, and camera. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.